Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome to Sufa Intellectual School. How are you all? I hope you will be fine. I will start my lecture with the name of Almighty Allah through a dua. Kindly recite dua with me. Rabbi zidni ilma, Rabbi zidni ilma, Rabbi zidni ilma. It means, "O Allah, increase my knowledge." This is your science period and lecture number 3. Today we will going to read our unit number 2, living things in the environment, and in this we will going to complete our chapter number 1, animals role. So first of all, we will going to do the reading of page number 21, 22, and 23. Then in the end, we will do some classwork, and then I will give you the homework. So let's see what our today's topics are. Today I'm going to discuss these following topics. Like, first of all, I will give you the overview of our previous lecture, what we have studied in our previous lecture. Then I will tell you how animals make our world beautiful, then about harmful animals and about harmful insects. So let's see what we have studied in our previous lecture. Well, in our previous lecture, I told you about the animal categories, that there are two categories. One is helpful animals and the others are harmful animals. Helpful animals are called helpful because they are basically used for food, clothing, and traveling. Now you should remember this thing, that they basically used for 3 purposes: food, clothing, and traveling. So about the harmful animals, they are called harmful because they are very dangerous. They can harm us. They can either hunt animals or attack to protect themselves from other living things. Because if they are attacking us, it means they are getting frightened from us. So never try to go near them, never go too close to them. Okay? Always maintain a distance from them. So I also told you in my previous lecture that we get meat and eggs from hen. Meat from a hen is called chicken. Meat from goat and sheep is called mutton, and we get the meat from goat and sheep. And the skin of a sheep is called hide, and we made clothes from that hide, basically. So meat from a duck is called duck meat. Meat from a turkey is called turkey meat. Meat from an ostrich is called ostrich meat. Meat from a deer is called venison. Meat from sea animals is called seafood. And I also told you that we get meat and milk from cow, and meat from a cow is called beef. What is called? It's called beef. We also used its skin to make leather jackets, as I already told you in my previous lecture. And we also make the leather coats, shoes, and bags. We also used cows for farming purposes. Yes, I also told you a very important point in my previous lecture. We use camel to get food, and it's also used for traveling in desert areas. So some people also like to eat its meat, but not many people like its meat because of its salty taste. So we use horse to ride or to pull our carts. So in many weddings nowadays, people are using wagon carts for wedding purposes. So they're also decorating those carts. So some other insects or animals that are very helpful for us can be honeybees, because they are providing us honey. Like silkworm, it's an insect, so it's providing us silk, and because of that silk, we made silk cloths from it. So basically, these are the very important animals that are very helpful for us. So let's start the reading first. Let's come to the reading point. Let's complete our reading and then we will move on further. I'm opening my book. All of you kindly open your books, page number 21, okay? So this is your page number 21. Last time we left our reading here, and today we will going to start a reading from this topic, animals make our world beautiful. Now we will see that how animals make our world beautiful. I am starting the reading. You have to listen to me very carefully, okay? We can keep animals as pets too, like cats, fish, hamster, etc. Birds play an important role in the environment. Colorful butterflies, see, colorful butterflies flutter around pretty flowers. They are fluttering around different flowers. Both of them spread seeds of various plants and flowers to other areas. So because of spreading the seeds is how it can help us, that this helps new plants and flowers grow. So let's continue the reading. Come to the topic, harmful animals. All animals are not friendly, as we already know, and I told you in my previous lecture that some of them can be very dangerous. Some animals attack humans. They hunt for food and protect themselves. We need to be very careful before going near them. As I already told you, never try to go near to these dangerous animals. It can bite you. Even though pets are fun, we must keep them clean. They can get fleas, which can make us sick. So cat's fur can also cause allergies. Many insects like termites damage things made of wood. They eat the wood as food because let me show you how the termites are. These are basically termites. So the main food is the wood. Basically, they live on wood. If they don't eat wood, they will not get live too much. So they basically need the wood. So they can destroy our furniture, our cupboards, all those things that are made of wood. So see how ants are making our food dirty, how flies are making our food dirty. So flies and ants attract food. They eat the food and make it unhygienic, because now we can't eat this sandwich, we can't eat this bread because it has a lot of germs because of these insects. We should always cover our food when we are not eating it. That's why your mother always told you to cover the food if you are not eating it, or put it in the fridge. So worms and locusts are types of insects which can damage crops. So this is the locust, it can damage your crops. It can eat the whole, grains, and we can't we will not be able to get the proper food from these crops, and because it can destroy. If we have a lot of locusts, it can destroy the whole crops. Yes, farmers use that is why farmers use special sprays. They have special sprays to stop them from destroying crops. Those sprays can kill these locusts, and because of those sprays, our crop can easily be saved. So this is basically your today's reading.